Hello and good morning. Today we are taking a deep dive into the financial revolution that is not just transforming India but is capturing the world attention. We are talking about the UPI, the Unified Payment Interface, and its incredible journey to become the number one real time payment system globally, even surpassing established giants like Visa in terms of daily transactions in volume. For bustling street market to high-end retailers, from paying your auto rickshaw driver to splitting bills with friends, UPI has become the choice. It's a backbone of India's digital economy. But how does this happen? What makes UPI so revolutionary, and what does its success means for the future of payment worldwide? So, friends, buckle up because we are about to unravel the fascinating story of India's UPI. To truly appreciate UPI's impact, we need to cast our mind back to the time before its arrival. Imagine a landscape dominated by cash transactions, cumbersome card payment with limited penetration, and the nascent stages of mobile wallets. Digital payments were fragmented, often requiring multiple apps and complex processes. Interoperability between different banking systems was a significant hurdle. Think about the everyday frustration, fumbling for exact change, the inconvenience for carrying large amount of cash, the limitation of swiping your card at every small vendor. This was the reality for millions of Indians, while systems like NEFT and RTGS existed for larger transfers. They weren't designed for the quick, everyday micro transactions that form the bedrock of a thriving economy. The need for a seamless, instant, and universally accessible digital payment solutions was palpable. Enter the National Payment Corporation of India, or NPCI. This umbrella organizations for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India, backed by the Reserve Bank of India, envisions a transformative solution. Their goal was ambitious: to create a digital payments and make them accessible to everyone with a mobile phone and foster financial inclusions on a massive scale. And in 2016, that vision took shape with the launch of UPI. It wasn't just another payment app, it was fundamental shift in how payments were processed. UPI leveraged the existing immediate payment system, which is IMPS infrastructure, but layered on a user-friendly interface based on the virtual payment addresses, also known as VPAs, a simple, unique identifiers that could be linked to bank's account. This eliminated the need to share sensitive bank details like account numbers and IFSC codes, enhancing security and privacy. Several key features contributed to UPI's rapid and widespread adaptation. Firstly, its simplicity. Creating a VPA was incredibly easy, and making payment was as simple as scanning a QR code or entering a VPA. This intuitive user experience was a game changer, especially for first time digital payment users. Secondly, interoperability. UPI was designed from the ground up to be interoperable across different banks and payment apps. Whether you used PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, or a bank specific UPI app, you could seamlessly transact with anyone else on the UPI network. This eliminated the fragmentation that plagued earlier digital payment attempts. Thirdly, low transaction cost. For users, UPI transactions are typically free. This was a significant incentive, especially for small value transactions where even small fee could be a deterrent. While merchant discount rates, which is in short MDR, existed for certain merchant transactions, the overall cost structure was significantly lower than traditional card payments. Fourthly, the robust and the secure infrastructure provided by NPCI ensured the reliability and safety of UPI transactions. Multiple layers of security, including authentication, authorization protocols, build trust among users. Finally, strong backing from the Indian government and the RBI played a crucial role. Campaigns promoting digital payments and policies encouraging UPI adaptation further accelerated its growth. The combination of these factors created a perfect storm for the UPI explosive growth. Millions of Indians previously unbanked or reliant on cash embraced this new way of transacting. The ease of use, the interoperability, and the lack of transaction fee made UPI an incredibly attractive alternative to the traditional payment methods. We witnessed a phenomenal surge in the transaction volumes. From a few million transactions in its initial days, UPI scaled exponentially, reaching billions of transactions every month. This growth wasn't limited to urban centers, it was permeated into rural areas, empowering small businesses and individuals across the country. The sheer scale of UPI adaptation is truly unprecedented in the world of digital payments. Now let's talk about the headlines that has truly turned head globally. UPI has overtaken in terms of daily transactions volume Visa. Visa is a global payment processing giant, has been a dominant player for decades, and to see relatively new systems like UPI surpass it is a testament to its remarkable success and the sheer volume of digital transactions happening in India. While the total value of transactions processed by Visa globally still be higher as Visa handles large international transactions, the sheer number of daily transactions on the UPI network speaks volume about its penetration into everyday life in India. This milestone isn't just symbolic victory, it has underscored the fundamental shift in the payment behavior. The UPI has brought about a lot of changes. It highlights the power of well-designed, accessible, and interoperable digital payment infrastructure. UPI success has far-reaching implications, not just for India but for the global financial landscape. Firstly, it has been a powerful driver of financial inclusion, bringing millions into formal financial systems and empowering them with access to digital payment tools. Secondly, it has fostered the transparency and efficiency in the economy by reducing reliance on cash and making it easier to track financial flows. This can have positive impact on tax collection and curbing illicit activities. Thirdly, UPI has empowered small businesses by providing them with a low cost and convenient way to accept digital payment, expanding their customer base and streamlining their operations. Finally, India's UPI serves as a blueprint for other countries looking to develop their own robust and inclusive digital payment systems. Its success story offers valuable lessons in terms of design, implementation, and the importance of interoperability. The UPI story is far from over. NPCI continues to innovate, adding new features like UPI 123 Pay for feature phone users and exploring international collaborations to extend UPI's reach beyond India's border. There are ongoing efforts to link UPI with other countries' payment systems, potentially paving the way for seamless cross-border transactions. The future holds immense potential for UPI to further revolutionize digital payments both within India and globally as more and more countries look to emulate India's success. UPI's impact on the world of finance is only to grow. India's UPI is more than just a payment system, it's a symbol of innovation, financial inclusion, and the transformative power of technology. It's a journey to become the world's number one real-time payment system, even surpassing established players like Visa in daily transaction volumes. Is a remarkable achievement. It's a story that underscores India's growing leadership in the digital age and offer valuable lessons for the rest of the world. So, friends, are you excited? Thank you for joining us on this journey through incredible story of the UPI. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and finance. So have a nice day, and I will catch you again very soon in the next one.